Good evening. My name is Ivan Reyes, and tonight we are going to answer the Seatwork given. So for the first given here, we have here F00D with base 16 plus A73 base 16. Forgive me for my poor handwriting as currently using a mouse to and paint to to display the solution. So for here, we have to get the answer in base 8. So for here, what we're going to do first is we are going to add these two together uh, in order to get the answer in base 16 first. So for here, um, F00D, A73, 16, and 16 here. So D plus 3 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. 0 plus A is just A. And F we just bring down. So here is the answer in base 16. So we are going to convert that into binary. So when we are going to convert that into binary, we are going to separate it into 4 different values. So for F, it is 1, 1, 1, 1. For A, it is 1, 1. For A, it is 1, 0, 1, 0. For B, it is 1. For B, I mean for 8, it is 1, 0, 0, 0. Since this is 8, 4, 2, 1. And for 0 is just 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, in order to get the answer in base 8, we would have to divide these. We have to divide the digits here into into teams of 3, starting from the right. So to easily visualize that, I will put some lines in grouping them. So we group them like this, as you can see. Now we have an excess value of 1 here. We are just going to add 2 more values, 0, in order to, in order to complete the teams of 3 rule. So since it is now separated, we are now going to identify the values of each team, quote unquote team. So 001, that is for 2, 1. So the only value here is 1. So we have there a value of 1. So here it is 1, 1, 1, which is 4 plus 2 plus 1, which will be 7. And next is 101, which is only 4 plus 1, which is 5. 010, which is 2. And the last 2 digits are 2. So that is the final answer in base 8. So that's how you get the answer for that. So we are moving on to the next given. So now we are going to tackle the next given, which is negative 29 base 10 plus 35 base 10. So in order to do this, we are just going to convert first these 2 digits into a binary. So let us separate them first, like so. So for 29, for negative 29, we are going to separate it in we're going to separate it like this. So 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So in 29 there is one value of 16. So 29 minus 16, we are left with 13. And in 13 there is one value of 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. So in 5 there is one value of 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And in 1 there is no value of 2, since self-explanatory. So we put here 0, and in 1 there is a 1. So let me just change the color of this. Let me just change the color of this so it's easily identifiable. Oops. So here we have 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. So now we are going to do to get the value of 35. So as you can see here, we cannot use 16 in 35 because there is no value of 16 in 35, but there is a value of 32. So we are going to start from 32, going down to 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. So in 35, there is one value of 32, when then we are left with 3. And now we are left with 3, then we are going to just leave the last 2 since they total up to 3. So here is the binary for these 2. And what we are going to do is we are going to subtract these 2 values. So first here we are going to rewrite binary digits for 35 minus 11101 for negative for 29. Thus we are left with the answer of 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2, 1. Wait, no. Since we borrowed the value here, wait. I have made a mistake. So since we borrowed the value here, we are left with 1. So 1 minus 1 is supposed to be 0 and 0. So this is the answer here, which results to negative 6. So now we are going to take the 1's complement. So here we are. The 1's complement of this is just turning each digit opposite. So we are going to get here a 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. And for the other one, we get a 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. And now for the 2's complement, let's change the color. 2's complement. There we go. I just did the solution in my notebook. So we're just going to add the value of 1 here. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And what we are going to do here is we are going to take these 2 values and subtract it with one another. So let's scroll down a bit, and we are left here with a 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 cannot be, so we are going to borrow 2, 1, 0 minus 0 is 0. And next is a 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. And then what we're going to do here now is take the 1's complement. So we are going to convert it. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we are going to add 1. So we are left here with 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1, 0, 0, which is equal to negative 6. So that's the answer for both.